Hi guys, Callum from the kit store here. I'm just going to give you a really quick overview as to how to plug in our powered mixing desks into our non-powered PA speakers. This is if you were taking out our small gig kit, okay? So you'll notice here we've got two little connections on the bottom here, and they require what's called a Speakon cable. The Speakon cable delivers power and audio to your monitors as well. So it's very important that we give you one of these as well. Make sure that when you're taking out the equipment to let me know how long you need it to be, how short you need the cable to be, where it's going, for example. You'll notice here that the Speakon cable has got a giant sort of metal latch to it there. That pulls back, it's on a spring. And on the bottom of these here, we've got two metal contact points. So what we want to do is line up metal to metal. It will let you do it the other way around. You'll get no audio. First thing to try and fix is that the wrong way around? The same thing is on the speakers themselves as well. So just make sure that metal is matching metal. So should go in as so. They are notched. You'll see there's two little cutouts, and you might be able to see that there. They are notched. They go in, and they make a clunk sound. So you'll hear that, and that's not going anywhere now. That won't pull out. To get it out at the end of the night, once you're finished, you pull it up on the little tab, twist it, and you're out. Easy as that. Don't give it any force. If it's not moving, make sure that you're pulling back on that properly there. You'll see the small metal part moving back. Easy as that.